Artificial grass is ideal if, for people who want to enjoy the garden but they've not got time to dedicate to the upkeep of it, or are physically not able to upkeep the garden, but yet they want a green space to come out and enjoy. You can contact us on Facebook or give us a call at one of our 5 stores. We come out and measure up free of charge, and we do a site survey, plan everything up, cost it all up, and then we give you a call or an email with the quote on. Once you're happy with that, once you give us the nod, then we can usually turn it round within a week, maybe 10 days. Now's ideal because at this time of year, everybody's just about emerging into the gardens and standing there scratching their heads thinking, how am I going to manage this? What we can do with the artificial grasses, take that out of the equation, take some of that work and take some of that time and take some of that effort away. Just in one day, we can sort your lawn out and then you can enjoy it for all of summer.